What are the common issues that can prevent a universal remote from working with Sharp TV?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to tackle the common issues that might prevent a universal remote from working properly with a Sharp TV. Whether your remote isn't responding, your TV isn't recognizing it, or the codes just aren't syncing up, we'll go through the solutions step by step.
Is your universal remote properly set up?
First things first. Ensure your universal remote is properly set up. This includes checking batteries, the mode switch, if applicable, and programming the correct code for your Sharp TV model. Wrong or outdated codes are a common issue. Make sure you're using the most recent codes provided by the manufacturer of your universal remote. If you don't have the correct code, your remote may not function properly with your TV.
Are there any physical obstructions?
Secondly, check for any physical obstructions between the remote and the TV. Objects, dust or debris blocking the TV's infrared, IR, sensor, or even bright light sources can interfere with the signal. So, make sure the path is clear and the IR sensor on your TV is clean.
Is the TV's IR sensor working?
Another issue could be with the TV's IR sensor. To check this, use a different remote that you know is working, like your cable remote, and see if it can control the TV. If not, the problem might be with the TV's IR sensor, not the universal remote.
Is your universal remote compatible?
Finally, not all universal remotes will work with all TV models. Compatibility can sometimes be an issue. Check the documentation for your universal remote to ensure it is compatible with your specific Sharp TV model. These are the most common issues that might prevent a universal remote from working with a Sharp TV. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially fix the issue. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact the customer support of your remote's manufacturer or a local TV technician. Hope this video has been helpful. Until next time.